Greetings Internet, it's Monica, and today I am doing a new makeup look. This one is Flower Freckles. So I'm kicking it off by starting with my foundation. This is the Beauty Blender Bounce Foundation, and I love it. And then afterwards, going in with some Tarte Shape Tape Concealer for my under eyes and any spots or additional redness that I would like to cover. So this video was highly requested after I posted a photo of these freckles on my Instagram. So thank you to everyone who messaged me asking about it. And yeah, now I'm just applying some powder. I'm very selective about my powder placement. I like a dewy finish. And here I am sniffing, but also applying my Cushion blush from Etude House. I love this blush. One, it smells amazing, hence the sniffing. But two, I just love the rosy glow that it gives, and I apply it everywhere. Apply it on my cheeks, apply it on my nose, and then I even apply it on my chin, which you'll see in a second. There she goes. Now I am going to do lots of highlighting. I will list everything that I'm using in the description box below in case you miss anything, but here I am using the Glossier Play highlighter in the lightest shade, and I love this highlighter especially for the nose. Like, it's just the most amazing nose highlight ever. I know that that's a silly thing to be excited about, but I love it. And yeah, again, just like blush, I apply this basically everywhere. And then I go in with the Fenty Beauty How Many Carats highlighter. This stuff is basically pure shimmer, and it looks, especially in person, so shiny and like wet and amazing, and I love it. Now I'm just doing the brows. And now onto eyeshadow. I recently got this Stila eyeshadow and I am obsessed with it. Blue eyeshadow seems to be everywhere right now, but it can be a little difficult to wear, and I just love how ethereal and wearable this blue is. It's just everything to me. It's the perfect color, and I love the consistency of this stuff. And now I'm going to apply my Sailor Moon eyeliner, and I apply a very tiny wing, very tiny amount, and of course some mascara. Now on to the actual fun part. We're going to color our face, basically. I use here these like NYX Vivid liners, but if you don't have liners, you can of course use, I used to use like liquid lipsticks. You might have face paint, just whatever is safe, and you just paint on your face. There's really no science to it. I just sort of put some yellow dots around my face to start, and then I use the white to add some petals, and I just kind of do what feels right. Sometimes I'll only add a few petals, sometimes I'll add a full bunch of them, kind of just depends. And here I'm adding some leaves and a stem for a lavender sprig that I want to do also on my face. Again, there's no real rhyme or reason to this, just painting on my face. So with most of these, I'm basically using the actual like applicator that comes with the product to apply it, but here I'm actually using a bobby pin so I could do some little round petals. Definitely the bobby pin is a bit easier to work with than the brush, just because the liners are so long and a little bit flexible, so it could be a little unwieldy. I am now doing a little sunflower, same method as with the daisies, just a color in the center and then some long petals surrounding it. And yeah, those are the flowers. And now, because I can't just leave things alone. I have to add some colorful freckles. So all I'm doing for this is dotting all those different liners across my nose, the bridge of my nose and my cheeks, just to like fill in any gaps. And then I'm using the orange red color to add a couple tiny hearts, because why not? Honestly, the main reason why I chose to do the tiny hearts is because I was worried that just doing spots with the red orange color would just look like I had acne, so alas. And now I'm just applying my lip product. I love a blotted lip, so I'm using this Tony Moly lip color and just blotting it all over until it looks like I ate a popsicle. And that's it. That's the whole look. I hope that this video could inspire some of you to just get creative and have fun with your makeup. And yeah, don't be afraid to just play. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.